Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabine here from InfoMaker. Welcome to a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to be considering something really important that most of the beginners do not understand. That is why you are not making money as an affiliate marketer and why you are not getting a sale, which is such a big question that everyone try to avoid. When you normally start looking for a content where you are going to be learning about affiliate marketing on a YouTube or any other sources, you probably wonder that affiliate marketing is so easy that you just have to normally grab your affiliate link, spam everyone on social media platform, and you are going to be getting a tons of sale. This is how these marketers make thousands of dollars. No, this is not how actually it works. The way affiliate marketing work is totally different. So in this video, I'm just going to be trying to explain you why you should consider normally thinking about a few things which is going to be deciding, which will help you to normally understand whether you are going to be getting success as an affiliate marketer or not. So the main thing is time and dedication, which is super important, and most of the people who try to do affiliate marketing lack these things. Time and dedication means if you want to normally start affiliate marketing, this is a business as same as any other offline business or online business you have seen out there. You have to give it a time, you have to normally take in some decision, you have to be a patient with a method you are following. For example, if you want to normally promote a product from Amazon affiliate who will pay you between 5% to 10% commission, you have to normally create a content around the product that you are looking forward to promote from Amazon. And once you normally create that content, it will take you 3 to 4 days for creating that content. Publishing and optimizing that content with SEO to rank on a Google will take you more 7 days. Creating a on-page and off-page links for its content will normally take more week. So you need at least a month to create one content that will rank on a Google and drive you a traffic to your affiliate link, only if your content turn out to be really good. So this story normally explain a simple thing, right? Affiliate marketing take a time and effort, and in order to normally skip those things, you can consider investing a money on a paid ad. But paid ad is also something that is not so easy. You have to focus on learning a paid ad as well, and every single people out there who are looking to get start affiliate marketing do not understand the simple thing that they have to implement the method they are learning. This is one of the biggest reason why most of the people fail, and I have seen people failing because they do not have a time and patience. And the last and the most important thing is they do not have got an something called consistency, something called patience, something called maybe dedication towards the work they are doing. They just think that they once to normally grab an affiliate link, they just have to normally send a random traffic to that affiliate link and they are going to be getting a sale. So before I normally start explaining you why that is so, you need to normally understand when you are going to be earning a commission. You are going to be earning a commission whenever someone buy the product from your link, no matter which product you are promoting. For example, you have chosen one software which will help me to create a YouTube thumbnail. You have normally published that link on a Facebook. I have clicked on that. It take me to a sales page of the product, and there is a really less chance that I'm going to be buying the product. Reason for that is, number one, I do not know you, who you are. I have no idea why you are promoting it and whether that product is genuine or not. Number two, I don't have got any trust towards you. And number three, and the most important, the method you are using to normally promote that product looks really spammy when you are trying to normally promote some misleading product or the offer. This is a three major thing that beginner follow, and this is the three major thing which end up not letting them make money with affiliate marketing. So you have to be very patient and perseverance while normally promoting affiliate offer. You have to make sure you are going to be creating a content around the product you are trying to promote. One of the easiest way to normally promote the affiliate offer is normally create a content around the product you are trying to promote, publish that content on anywhere you can, and start driving a traffic to your affiliate link. This way you are going to be getting way more result comparing to any other method you have seen out there. For example, I have normally find a product called Scrabble. Now I'm going to be taking normally checking a sales page of the Scrabble. I will check how much it will cost you, how many upsell and all those things they have got on the back end. Once I normally find out, I'm going to be creating a one Google Doc where I will include all the important details about the Scrabble, and I will normally create a review on the Scrabble. Now I'm going to be going to a website called medium.com where I will publish that article, and I will include my affiliate link on one specific anchor text calling click here to learn more, which will take them to a sales page but through your affiliate link. And if you normally publish this review content on the medium.com, and if your content has got more than a 500 word focus keyword is Scrabble review and your content is unique, Google will pick up that content and it will rank on a search engine. And since medium.com is a authority website which already has gotten a massive authority, now you are going to be getting a traffic on your content from the people who are looking for a review of a Scrabble. Who will look for a review of the Scrabble? The people who want to buy the product but they need a further information. This is one of the most genuine, simple and easiest way for promoting affiliate offer, and there is a more chance you are going to be earning a commission while you normally follow this method. But if you follow a method like where you are going to be replying everyone on the Facebook with your affiliate link without even mentioning anything, like nowadays on affiliate marketing group there are various people who normally reply to a comments through their Telegram bot link, which is not a genuine way for normally getting a traffic or promoting something. That is the reason most of the marketers think that is a spammy and a misleading thing. Nobody consider clicking on those links. So you also have to understand, you have to be a gentle and polite while promoting the affiliate offer, and these are a few mistakes that you should consider avoiding while promoting affiliate offer as a beginner or a new marketer. And if you normally avoid this thing, you are definitely going to be making a commission. But if you follow the exact same thing that most of the people out there are following, that is spamming everyone on social media and not focusing on creating a content, not focusing on providing a value to the customer who are going to be buying the product, you are never going to get result. Because at the end of the day, you have to understand, when someone purchase the product from your link, when someone pay from their credit card, then only you are going to be getting a certain percentage of a commission. Without them buying the product, you are never going to earn a money. So in order to normally make sure that they buy the product from you, you have to focus on building a trust, you have to focus on building your reputation. So what are the easiest way to normally do that? Creating a blog website, starting a YouTube channel like I am normally doing right now, or normally being an authority figure on a Facebook where you are going to be helping other people to solve their problem. You are going to be giving them tips and tricks which will help you to normally get maximum result comparing to any other method. And I'm kind of sure if you follow this process, you are definitely going to be getting a result. And I also hope that you have really enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know on the comment below. Plus, before I normally end this review, there will be a link down below this video which will take you to a registration page where you can register yourself for a live training from a Jono Armstrong, where Jono Armstrong will teach you how you can normally start making a $10,000 every single month as an affiliate marketer by following one of the easiest formula that I have also personally followed when I have started as an affiliate marketer, which has not make me a $10,000. I will give you a disclaimer, which has not make me a $10,000 a month, but it has made me almost a $3,000 to $4,000 every single month. And you can normally make it happen to yourself if you normally give it a proper focus and a dedication. That is one of the finest and the easiest method for a beginner to get result faster. So make sure you are going to be clicking a link and make sure you are going to be registering for that webinar. Plus, I'm going to be linking a 3 different video down below this video. Number 1 video will show you how you can promote affiliate offer through Google ad if you want to get a paid traffic. Second number video will show you how you can normally promote affiliate offer through a medium.com using a review article. And number 3rd video will show you that how you can get started as an affiliate marketer and how you can build a buyer email list, which is so important because the money is on the list. Most of the marketer you see out there on a market who are making thousands of dollars, how possibly they are making that much amount of money? Reason behind that is really simple, right? They have got a massive list of email subscribers who trust and know them. So whenever they send an email to their email list, they are more likely to buy the product from them, allowing them to earn a commission without doing any heavy lifting. And I'm also pretty sure if you focus your dedication and give a proper time to building an email list of a buyer, that is going to be helping you to get result way more faster comparing to any other method. So make sure you are going to be checking out those 3 videos as well. Make sure you are going to be subscribing to this YouTube channel if you are watching it on the YouTube, and press the bell icon. If you are watching this on a Facebook group of me and Pedro, make sure you are going to be clicking a link which will be on top of this post, which will take you to a registration page of MOF. Plus you can also consider normally watching all the other video that I have mentioned, which link will also be included on the post. So Sabine signing out. I'm going to check you out on the next one.